আমি এখানে পুলিশ বলে ঠিক আছে আপনারা ভালো থাকুন আমি যতটা পারি সাহায্য করব এই ওয়ার্ডের জন্য কই থাকো ভালো লাগছে
So yes, Priya, as you are seeing that talking to the people, he is moving to each and every rooms, each and every camps of the relief camps we are seeing in here. Priya, the people are urging the government, crying to the Chief Minister with their problems. And Chief Minister Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma assured all kind of necessary helps and ordered the administration and the MLA Silchar to take immediate action or what the thing which is necessary to get rid of this kind of problems they are facing all the time. Priya. Yes, Priya, you can see now he is talking to the kids also.
সরকার থেকে সুবিধা দিয়েছে কি না দিয়েছে তো নাম তো লিস্টে হয়েছে আপনারা নামগুলা লিস্টে আছে আমি যতটা পারি সাহায্য করব ঠিক আছে
Well, Priya, you have seen that many people were asking CM for the quick relief from the locked water, and CM assured that the jet pump will be fixed here to take out the water that locked inside the town.
তোমরা নামগুলা এমএলএ নিয়ে নিব আমি আবার যেটা ঘরগুলা ভালো করার জন্য যতটা পারি আমি খালি পিছনে আমরা পিছনে একটা ড্রেন আছে বড় ড্রেন এই ড্রেনটা সাফ করে দিলে স্যার ভালো হয় মানে টাউন হল তো মানে টেন্ডার হই গেল নেক্সট অক্টোবরের পর কাম টু স্টার্ট হবে না ড্রেনটা কি রকম সাফ করা যায় এই ড্রেন মানে কিবা হরু এটা ফাউন্ড ঠিক আছে আমি ফান করে দিব এখন ডিসি কোর্টে যখন আমার মিটিং হবে তুমি এটা কথা মেনশন করো
Priya is taking each and every issues to his personal effect and
assuring that all the problems will get solved in an immediate effect.
In each and every, not missing out with any of the camps, he is meeting with all the peoples from each and every room in all the entire relief camps. Priya. Well, Priya, he will be visiting another 2 relief camps, the mostly affected areas where the flood hit people. Many of the household got scattered, broken. They have lost everything here. So he is trying to take stock of all these situations, and he is meeting and talking to the people, bringing out the solution. And as you can see, he is talking to the people out here, each and every people who are crying out for getting the help. You can see he is meeting with the households, the people, taking the district administration along with him, and also directed the MLA Silchar
for the quick response as he was doing it from past many days. After Lakhimpur, today in a visit, taking stock of the flood situation here in Kasar district.
He visited so far 3 relief camps. Presently he is at Silchar Kendriya Vidyalaya talking to the people. এদিকে যেতে পারবে না তো এদিকে যেতে পারবে না যাইয়ে দিদি কই রে Yes, in today's program, Priya, he is visiting he is visiting the relief camps and talking to the people. Then he will held a meeting at we are seeing that in each and every issues, CM himself is taking keen stock and taking to his own limit. You can see.